What is the middle way approach? My proposal envisages that Tibet enjoy genuine autonomy within the framework of the People's Republic of China. However, not the autonomy in the 17-point agreement, but a truly self-governing, genuinely autonomous Tibet, with Tibetans fully responsible for their own domestic affairs, including the education of their children, religious matters, cultural affairs, the care of their delicate and precious environment, and the local economy. 什么是中间道路？我的提议设想西藏在中华人民共和国的框架内享有真正的自治。然而，这种自治并不是17条协议中的那种，而是一个真正自我治理、真正自治的西藏。藏人将完全负责自己的内部事务，包括子女的教育、宗教事务、文化事务，对其脆弱而珍贵的环境的保护，以及地方经济。